I'm making a 4 serving meal for only $5, starting with pasta. I got this at Costco and it has really good reviews and it is really, really tasty. And it comes in different shapes and sizes. And mushrooms, this is also from Costco. I'm only gonna be using half of this and also half of the pasta, which is gonna like grow a lot. So it's gonna be perfect serving for 4 people. First, I'm making sure to evaporate all the water from the mushrooms. This may take a little while. I slice them pretty thinly, but it does help if you cover it with a lid, and then I throw out the liquid because we don't need that. And now I'm adding about 2-3 cloves of garlic, a spoon of duck fat. Love duck fat, it just makes everything taste so much better, and half of a sauteed onion. I didn't feel like showing how to saute an onion was necessary because I think everyone knows it, but I pre-make mine, so I make a lot at once and then keep it in the fridge. A teaspoon of salt, a lot of pepper, black pepper, and then dried oregano and thyme and basil mixture, whatever you have at home. Some greens, it's still pasta, so we're gonna feel a little bit like it's authentic. And thyme and basil goes well with mushrooms. And then I'm adding a tablespoon of flour. This will help to thicken our sauce. And for my cheese, I choose Gouda, but you can choose any cheese that melts nicely, like mozzarella or like the Mexican blend. And then 1 cup of heavy cream, and this is gonna be our sauce. This is gonna thicken up nicely, and it's so delicious. At the same time, I'm cooking the pasta in boiling water, and I'm cooking it to al dente. Whatever brand you're using, there should be an instruction to get al dente in the back, because different shape, different size might take a little longer or a little bit less. I put the pasta in a casserole dish, and I'm putting the mushroom sauce right on top, and we're gonna bake this at 360, 370 for as long as the cheese melts to golden brown. This meal is not only cheap, but it's also filling. You can take it to lunch for work the next day and just heat it up, and it's still gonna be delicious. So yeah, try it out. It's super easy. The sauce is so easy to make, and what I like about this sauce is that you made it from scratch. There's only a few ingredients in it, so you know what's in the sauce instead of having a bunch of preservatives from the store, which that is fine too, but it just always it tastes and feels better when you make it at home. And it's so easy to make this mushroom sauce. You could not mess it up, but you can also add more cheese if you want. This is a simple, quick, and delicious meal, and I think it is perfect for busy moms or people who just think they cannot cook, because there is no way you could mess this pasta up. So easy, so delicious, and so cheap.